Hey guys, so it has been a while since I've filmed again. I know I say that every time, but this time is different. I'm actually gonna film a lot. I'm gonna just get these videos going. This is what I want to do. We sold our house, we moved, so now we're settled. I have a new background. I love it. Tell me what you guys think. Shout out to my husband Josh for picking out this really cute picture right here. It says Forever Grateful. I love that. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do for a background, and he picked that out for me, and I was like, that's perfect. So I kind of got everything else to kind of go with that, and I just really wanted to start filming again. So if you guys want to see how I get this very simple summery look, it's very simple, very easy, nothing too crazy, nothing too intense. Just keep watching. Yeah, let's get started in doing this cool makeup look, this simple, easy look, and I'm just excited to be filming again. So yeah. All right, so had a hair in my mouth. So I don't have anything on yet, so I'm gonna start with this Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. It came in my FabFitFun box. And this month, or this quarter, because they come like every season, this month was really good. I think it was my favorite box so far. But this came in it. I haven't used it yet, so I wanted to try it, kind of hydrate my face before I do the makeup. So let's see. Oh, I like that. Also in my FabFitFun box, I got these like little hair tie things that look like those like key rings or, you know, keychain things. Where have these been all my life? Because normally like I do a ponytail and it just falls, and these just hold so well. So if you haven't tried these, they're like, I want to throw all my other hair ties away. They're that good. And these are Invisibobble. They come in like a little 6-pack. I'm not sure how much they are, but just thought I'd mention those because I put this in this morning and it's just staying up there. So that's amazing. So I'm going to go in with this Jelly Pong Pong All Over Glow to give my face a glow. Then just on like the sides of my nose and stuff, I'm going to use the Porefessional Pore Filling Primer. Then I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I'm trying to use something else other than the Wet n Wild Photo Focus because I feel like I've just used it so much that I just need a change. Now I'm going to go in with the Catrice Camouflauge Cream just under my eyes. This kind of helps to brighten the area before we go in with concealer. So that way the concealer doesn't have to do so much like covering up. We can kind of brighten and conceal a little bit before that. Then just using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. This one I really like, and it's only $5. Just taking that on the rest of my face to set the foundation and concealer because it's summer and it is hot, so if I don't powder my face, my makeup would just be all over the place. Alright, now that that is done, I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. This one's really nice, smells really good. One of my favorites. Then I'm going to take a smaller brush, just kind of small and just kind of oval shaped, fluffy brush. I'm going to do a little nose contour with this. I'm going to take that bigger brush and just blend it out a little bit. Make sure it's not too harsh. Then for blush, I'm going to use this, it's got powder all over it, this Laura Gellar Baked Blush in Tropic Hues. This one's really pretty. And a very simple, easy look to do for summer is just maybe do a little bit heavier on the blush to give you a nice kind of glowy, summery look, and do a little less on the eyes. And if you think you have too much, you can go in with either your bronzer brush or your beauty blender and just kind of go on top and kind of take it down a notch. Then I'll go in with some highlight. I'm going to use the Ofra I'm going to use the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. This is a nice golden shade, and for summer a more golden shade is really nice, kind of beams off your skin, just looks really nice in the sunshine. So then I'm going to take why is this? It's my favorite brush ever, and it's the hardest one to find for some reason. Can never find, there it is. My little pencil brush from Royal and Langnickel. Gonna go highlight the tip of my nose and just right in between on the bridge of my nose. And I just think that adds so much and just gives the nose an even slimmer appearance when you highlight the very tip of it. Just make sure you blend it out and it's not too much, because then it can just look like a round circle on the end of our nose, and that's not the look we're going for. So I got highlight, blush, bronzer. Let's do some brows. So I've been taking the Benefit Gimme Brow just to kind of coat the hairs and give them a little definition before I go in with anything else. And this is getting dried up. I need a new one. So now I'm taking the Benefit Kabrow, which is just like a little pot pomade thing, and in the lid it has the brush, which is awesome because if you don't have a brush, or it's just always right there. Brows are done. Well, except for tinted brow gel, but we'll get to that in a minute. So let's do eyeshadow. So like I said earlier, I like to kind of do a lighter look with eyeshadow for the summer. What I've been doing recently is I'll take, not this one, no, is it that one? Yes it is. So the PUR Festival palette, I'm going to just take this lighter orange shade called Epic and take that into the crease instead of doing a typical like mid-tone brown transition shade. I just kind of take a light orange, and I have several. This is just one that I use a lot. So just build that into the crease. Okay, now that we have that, I'm going to take a little bit smaller brush and guess I'll go into this kind of deep reddy brown called Hidden Desert. Okay, so now I'm going to take that same brush, go under the eye, just kind of tightly, and just smoke it out underneath. And I'm going to make a very cute face. And yes, this is necessary to get a good final look. Trust me. See what I mean? But if you don't make this face, you don't get the results, okay? You gotta do it. You gotta just go all in. So now we've kind of smoked that out underneath. So do the same on the other eye. And I'm trying to close my eye as much as I can, because sometimes if you just leave your eye open and do it, I feel like I get eyeshadow in my eye. So that's why I'm trying to close my eye as best as I can. Just trying to protect my eyeball from eyeshadow flinging in there. Sure, it's still happening, but it helps. Okay, so I'm taking out of this You Had Me at Hello Colourpop palette, just this kind of goldy shade on the side. There's names. Winning Ticket. Okay, Winning Ticket. Just taking that with my finger, just lightly on the lid. Again, I think the golden tones in the summer are just so flattering and very pretty. Like in the winter, if I'm fair and I try to use golds like this, it doesn't work so good. So just doing that. Then I'm going to take this lighter shade, Candygram, and take that on the very inner part and just blend it into the gold. And you can see this is very easy. I'm just using my fingers, and I used 2 brushes so far on my eyes. Keeping it easy when it's hot and nobody wants to be sitting here for 5 hours doing your makeup that you're just going to sweat off in the heat, right? Now I'm going to do some brow bone highlight. Just taking a little flat brush and go in with my PUR Bronze and Brighten palette, and this is the shade Afterglow, and I actually have a full another one of just the Afterglow in a separate pan because I love this highlight. I think I use it every day that I put on makeup because it's just so pretty. And when I was running out of this one, I was like, oh no, I'm running out. What do I do? And I looked it up because I don't even use these. They just have broken. So I looked it up and I was like, I could get that all by itself in its own palette, or its own pan. So it's such a beautiful highlight. I'm also going to take that on my little Royal Langnickel brush. I put it back. I'm going to do some inner corner highlight. Okay, then we're gonna do some eyeliner, and I realized the other day that my favorite pencils are from Milani. They're so creamy. This is a lip liner. This one's in the shade 4. I really like 4, 9, and number 3. And then their Milani Stay Put waterproof eyeliner. They're just so good. They're the best. So if you want to throw your makeup around, no, don't do that because you're going to break it. If you need a creamy eyeliner or lip liner and you can't find something that like lasts, that's creamy enough but not too creamy, you know what I'm saying, try Milani. They're priced great. because they're at the drugstore. So yeah, definitely check these out. So I'm just going to go on top on the upper waterline first. And apparently the outer corner, I don't know what happened there. It's like so annoying, but if I don't do it, it makes such a difference, so it's worth it to do. Then I'm gonna go just do a line on the top of my lid, and then I'm gonna take a little small angled brush and kind of flick it up to kind of give a little bit of a wing shape, but we're not doing like a full-on wing today. So it's not gonna take too long, and it's just not like a normal wing, because the normal wing can just take way too long. So then I'm going to take that outer corner and just kind of flick it out and up and give the appearance of a little wing, a little baby wing, because I don't want anything too dramatic, but especially for my eye shape, I really like to have the outer corner going up and out. And it's much easier to get that shape with a brush rather than trying to use a pencil and do the same. It's really difficult to use a pencil. I used to do it all the time when I was in like junior high, and I have pictures. It doesn't look good, so I don't know what I was thinking. Alright guys, so my camera died, and I had done my mascara and lips, so it wasn't like too much more, but, and setting spray, that's important. Maybe we should just do more. Alright, so now that that is done, I just kind of wanted to do a easy look, my kind of summery easy look that I've been doing recently. It takes not a lot of time and looks really nice. It's not like a very dramatic look or anything or a smoky eye, but I love it. Simple, easy, and just what I've been doing. So I just wanted to film something, and we tried to film a couple times, and either the battery died and it didn't work, or the camera was doing something weird. So, and of course the camera died again, but we'll just use this video because I really wanted to film again. So if you guys have anything you want me to film, anything you want me to review, any questions you have, please leave them in the comments. I would love to answer questions for anybody or do reviews on stuff, or if you have any cool video ideas for me that you would like to see. I would just like to film things that you guys actually want to watch. So let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something. Let me know if you guys try any of these products. I will hopefully see you guys soon because I'm going to be filming a lot. This is going to be, this is what I'm doing. I need to film more. This is it. Okay. So thank you guys again, and I will see you next time. Bye.